In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace on Clickup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're streamlining your projects or simply need to make space for new tasks, removing a workspace can be done quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in and get you started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Clickup's official website. You can do this by typing clickup.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage, your next step will be to log into your account. Simply click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. You'll need your email and password to access your Clickup account, so make sure you have those handy. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Clickup homepage. Here you'll see an overview of all your workspaces and projects. Navigate to the workspace that you'd like to delete. Click on the name of the workspace and it should take you right to its home. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find your profile picture or avatar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings to proceed to the Settings page where you can manage your account and workspace preferences. In the Settings section, find the option labeled Spaces. This is where all your spaces within the workspace are listed. Clicking here will bring up a list of all the workspaces you have access to. Next to each workspace, you'll see 3 vertical dots, commonly referred to as the More Options icon. Find the workspace you wish to remove and click on these 3 dots. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option to delete space. Clicking this will initiate the deletion process. But remember, delete with caution. Before you proceed, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision, ensuring that you won't accidentally remove anything you might need later on. Deleting a space is irreversible, so double check to make sure it's the correct one. And there you have it, your workspace is successfully deleted. It's as simple as that. A few clicks and a little careful navigation through Clickup's interface and you're all set. Remember, deleting workspaces is a great way to manage your projects and keep your workflow streamlined. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and were able to follow along with ease. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organising with ClickUp.